Welcome to Group 4. This is Naval Academy. What you're going to find about this group is that it's really based around an Italian wool base cloth. So the jacket is exactly like the olive that you had from fall, except the black base cloth jacket has chiffon trim at the neck instead of a charmeuse. So great cloth that'll take you 3 seasons in just about any climate. And I'm sure you're going to see bits and pieces of that in the mix and match. But let's get started on the novelty suit. As you can see, 3 of the novelty suits I have up here, they are all Italian. I love that. I love fabrics. I always say I'm a fabric snob because one positive thing about working for this company is you are getting couture fabrics at a very good price point for the quality of the fabrics, and the opportunity to shop in these fabric mills is quite extraordinary. So this is an Italian fabric mill. Actually, all 3 of these suits are Italian. This is called a lace jacquard. I would love this with navy. I would love pair this with white. I would also love this with jeans. So you can make this more of a dinner suit where you put the 2 pieces together. But what I've done is I've actually put it with the Patricia pant, which is an autumn twill. Again, you saw it in wheat. This is exactly the same fabric in a different style pant than we had from fall. Now you actually have it in a 3-inch below the waist pant. So let's talk about that a second. Not everybody's proportions in their rise are the same. So when I say it's 3 inches below the waist, everybody's waist hits at a different spot depending on the length of their rise. So be very cautious on how you talk about that, because someone may say, I don't wear low rise pants. Well, on them, these may not be low. But what I love is that you also have a fabulous 2-inch below the waist tropical wool pant. You have miracle pants. You have a lot of options in navy that they have the option to wear something else. Underneath it is a French dot jacquard, beautiful texture. It's really just a simple white layering piece, silk layering piece, but with the embroidered dots and a little bit of the ruffle in the front. You wouldn't even need an accessory, even though adding a great long necklace would be great. I've also paired this with the patent leather belt. Don't let your belts and necklaces and some of your accessories fall at the end of your sale, because what happens when the client is done, she's done. And so sometimes what's great is to have her put on the belt or put on the necklace, because it will complete the look and you will find that she can't live without it. And we love that. So let's go on to the next. So this is a micro touch jersey. I love the way this feels. It drapes nicely on the body. It comes in navy. It's going to come in white, and I'll show you that in a minute. This is a poly chiffon inset. This is a hand washable. It is so important as you're selling to your clients to know your labels. This is washable, whereas other synthetics and other sweaters and other pieces are not. Some things don't like water at all, and we wear test and we fabric test. We have this with a 23-inch skirt. So another good alteration tip when you're talking to your client and the client says, oh, I would buy that if it was a 24-inch length. If it has a vent in the back, most of the time it cannot be lengthened because they've spliced the fabric to create that vent. So be a little careful on what you promise, because we can't always deliver that. Have it with a fun necklace, but again, I could put an easy gauzy scarf over it and make it a little more casual. I could put this with a short sleeve micro touch jersey top that we have and make it a little more arm coverage. But again, I can also wear it as a suit. And what would this group be without a little bit of a nautical sort of navy and white stripe? This is a great synthetic. It's a little bit of an easy, almost like a sweater jacket. I've put this gauzy scarf in the neck just to add interest. Again, it could be put over the shoulders with a dress. It could be draped in the neck. It really just gives it a little bit of dimension. But let's talk about this a minute. So the white stripe is a 3/4 inch and the navy is actually a 1/2 inch. I love sort of that contrast. Even though your eyes sort of look at it, it sort of evens out. We also have a skirt in a navy and crimson red stripe that I can pair with this, which is such a nice contrast, but you're going to see that skirt and mix and match, so be on the lookout for that. With this, I put red underneath it. I know that color is such a big trend this season. What I've done is I've added just a splash of color in the neck of this underneath it with just to give it a little bit of fun and a little bit of splash of color. Underneath this is a jean. This is a great denim jean. You saw this in the boot cut. Now you see it in a little bit more of the skinny leg. I love that our design team gives us multiple options so we can fit a lot of different people, create a lot of different trends based on our client's personality and again their body type. But let's talk 1 second about this jacket. Our design team not only gives us fabulous fabrics and fabulous garments that are wear tested and fabric tested, but the manufacturing of this garment is quite exquisite. Underneath this, it is so much more difficult to have an unlined jacket because you can't hide the threads. And I want you, when you take a look at your garments, look at the inside of them, the workmanship, their finished seams. It's almost so beautiful that you could almost wear this inside out. But it is such sort of a testament to the company and our manufacturing that we put such high sort of expectations on our quality, and then we deliver those to our clients. And then we have a wide stripe knit. So again, exactly the same fabric, so it will fit the same. It just is a little bit more of a bolder print. And this is a little bit more of a more narrow print. What I wanted to point out is these are snaps, but if you notice, most of our hardware comes with tiny little protectors, and that's so that this is not scratched before the client actually receives it. Talk to her about it if she is shipping to her home. Let her know that she needs to remove these protectors. I love that. It's just such a nice finishing touch. That we want it to be perfect when it arrives. Also with this is that you can cuff the sleeve or you can wear the sleeve long. It's still going to be a bracelet length, but you have the option depending on proportion. So double weave jacquard, fabulous fabric. So the trim on the sleeve, on the pocket, and around the neck is actually the reverse side of this beautiful navy fabric. So this is an Italian fabric. It has a button front. This can be worn as a suit if you see that the skirt is actually on the display right next to it. But what I've done is I've put it with an Italian striped cotton. So this is a white and navy striped pant. This comes in a slim. It's a little bit of a shorter length. Also be careful using the word cropped because depending on their height, on me, this would be a full-length pant, and on some it may be a little bit high above the ankle. So keep that in mind. I can always hem this if you're my height or a little bit shorter. We can always hem this to be an ankle length or a little cropped. But be careful with your words. Underneath is a great scoop neck in navy. It's going to come in white. But again, I could have mixed any of these layering pieces underneath this for a really great look. I added a belt. I've made it a little sportier. But let's look and see what I can do to make this a little bit more suited for the office. So this is called Secret Jacquard. This is in white. You also have this in another group in rose. So I love that they've given you a very neutral color, and they've also given you more of a fashion color, sort of a trendy color. This is in white. It has such great texture. It's a little bit shorter jacket, so you may actually have some of the layering pieces that actually are a little bit longer than the jacket. I've put it with the double weave skirt. I love the texture on texture, and underneath it, just like in the navy, I have the little micro touch jersey with the little inset. Again, hand washable and a really great detail. This is an ECAP multi scarf. You have a skirt just like the giraffe skirt you saw in the other collection with the inverted pleat. It's a tiny bit of a flirty sort of full skirt, but I love to put a little something in the neck to add a little bit of color. And the last but not least piece is actually the Secret Jacquard skirt. 24-inch skirt. Again, if you can mix and match these back with just about anything we used on the white double weave skirt. I just love texture on texture. I love mixing it with this shimmery textured linen. This comes in crimson red and in navy. What you need to pay attention to and point out is the special stitching detail. I mean, really, this is not just an ordinary red sort of shimmery sweater. It has really great detail with a snap front. It can be worn open or closed, and then with a little great crimson red silk blouse. It has little fluttery sleeves and great enamel buttons. So again, detail is what makes all of these so special, and the fabrics coming from all these Italian mills that couture showrooms use. It's just really fun to mix and match these and create great looks.